What up, YouTube? I'm gonna be working on my f4i 2005 CBR 600. I know I didn't say it the right way. There's my theory. Be installing a keyless ignition. The reason why I'm doing that is this bike left me stranded in Wisconsin Dells. I was about trying to go to Wisconsin Dells to Milwaukee and started it. Rode fine for like a few minutes and then it just died. I didn't hear the fuel pump. I checked all the wiring, it's all good. So I hear there's a diode in here. So I'm like, fuck that. I'm gonna go with a keyless entry system. It looks like that's the module to go into it. And here's the key. Let's see how she goes. I'm gonna start taking the front end apart. I already have kind of loose already, so I'm just gonna take all that out. I'll show you guys in a bit. I think it's two those Phillips, and then I'm gonna trace it down. I'll show you guys in a bit. I took the front end a little bit. I just put a rag underneath, so I trace out the wire from the ignition. It goes all the way to here to this plug. Then I'm gonna unplug it, push this down. Hard to do with one hand. Alright, so I got the new module right here. I'm assuming it might be this one because it looks identical to it. Go in there. Where's the old plug? My bad. Alright, here's the new one. And here's the factory one. So I'll probably put a little dielectric greaser in there to make it contact better. Not contact better without having moisture in. I plugged it in. Now I'm going to the ignition switch right here. Go follow this wire down here. And then it's this one right here, this black one. Same thing, I need to do that. Pop that out. Alright, I popped it out. See these two right here. Then you grab it from one side, I'm assuming. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Heard that click. Hopefully you guys can hear it. And grab the kill switch side and plug it in here. Alright, got it there. Now I need to figure out what other wires I need to connect. I just need to look at their extraction. Doesn't look too bad to do. I'm gonna start taking these out, the whole thing out. I'll let you guys know in a few seconds how I'm gonna take the whole ignition system out. Alright, I disconnect the zip tie right there. So these are 6mm Allen, but it looks like, I don't know, someone were actually trying to replace it back in time, but I never done it yet, so kind of looks like it's kind of stripped a little bit. So I'm gonna replace that, put that down, and then take these out. And then I'm assuming they want this underneath here somewhere, something like that. So I'm gonna take these Phillips. I'll let you know the guys in a second. The two Phillips underneath. Where did I put the cover? I'll use this to take it off, and here's the cover. I'll see if it fits onto the new one. Alright, so I gotta look at the extraction. I've got what this one is. So this the longer one goes to your ground. Then you gotta hit the button 2 times. No, hold it till it flashes, goes away. Then hit it 2 times. Now your kill switch, you hear it, and then she starts. That's pretty dope. Alright, got my LEDs put on. I gotta fix all the wiring, but I'm putting the module behind here. Hopefully there's enough room. I'm assuming might disconnect it from there. Then I'm gonna route the ground wire probably on the right side to the negative. I'll let you know when I'm done, what I did, and see if it's clean and it still works. The bike put together. So let's see if it actually does. Keys here. I know I didn't do a good job at hiding all the wires. I just want to see about how the bike is, and I want to ride it. Then during the winter time, probably take it apart and clean it up. There's my original key. Still need to use it for the gas tank. Now I can actually fill it and leave it on. So. Here's the website again. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, night, weekend. Ride safe and stay dirty.